Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to remove Facebook account from Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now to remove Facebook account from Instagram, first open up your Instagram app, and on this interface guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see your profile picture icon on a small circle. Tap on it, and on this interface again at the top right corner of the screen you can see there is a three-lined icon. Tap on that three-lined icon, and over here guys you can see the account center at the top of the screen. Tap on the your account center, and from over here scroll down to the bottom and you can see the accounts option available for us. Tap on accounts, and on this interface guys you will be able to view all of the linked accounts to your Instagram, and you can see the Facebook at the last, or maybe also at the same position. But you can also see guys there is the remove button available at the top right corner of each of the tab. Now in order to remove your Facebook account from Instagram, tap on the remove button at the top right corner of the Facebook tab, and again you can see you can manage your content and how you do things with your two accounts. But in order to remove your Facebook account, tap on the remove account at the top of the screen, and again tap on continue, and over here you can see the yes removes the star, which meaning your profile picture, your profile name will also be there. The moment you tap on yes remove, then your Facebook account will be removed from your Instagram account. And guys, this is how to remove your Facebook account from your Instagram account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.